What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make $3,000 per week as an Uber driver. I know what you're thinking. Dylan, what? I thought drivers only made $5 an hour. There's a secret. And we're going to show you guys the secret, okay? First, you got to thumbs up the video. You got to subscribe. And if you're an Uber or Lyft driver, you have to sign up for Play Octopus, because this is a company that will pay you money. This is something free, all right? If you want to change your mindset, if you want to change your income, you got to take your money, get your money where you can easily. So we have a link below to sign up for Play Octopus. What are they going to do? They're going to send you this tablet. You put it on your headrest. You start making money. They pay you up to $100 a month. I don't know who the heck wouldn't not want to do this. They're almost in every single city nationwide. They're pretty much nationwide. I'd be surprised if you didn't get approved. You have to be an active Uber or Lyft driver. So use the link below, sign up, use our code, and they'll comes with a tablet. What else does it come with? It even comes with a charging cable, charging port. They literally make it so easy for you just to set it up. You can set up your little driver profile, type in, what do you like to, your favorite food's tacos. I'm driving for, and it says, tips to pay for school, or my tips are appreciated, whatever. Drivers earn way more money than the $100 that they pay you, because they're getting money from more tips and from passengers. All right, so let's dive in. This is a screenshot of a driver. I'll pull this up. Of a driver who made over $700 in a single day, and I wanted to do some quick math, and we're gonna go through another case study in a second. But there are Uber drivers who are making over $3 grand per week consistently. So this comes from Julian Minaya, and he shared this yesterday. I think enough is for today. Now drive 2 hours to go home. So he made $700 on one trip, right? Pretty cool. But do some quick math. If you do $736 in one day, by the way, it's only one ride. If you do 736 times 5 days a week, $3,600 a week, and you get 2 days off, and you do this every single week for a year, it's almost 200 grand. And people say, oh, what about expenses? What about gas? Trust me, you think you're spending $190,000 in gas? No, you're probably spending around, with gas, wear and tear, car depreciation, it's probably spending around 30, 40 grand, I would assume. So minus 30 grand, let's just say. Which, by the way, that's a tax write-off because your car is expense. You're still profiting 160 grand, bro. This is crazy. Like, people don't even realize you can be literally profiting 160 grand a year. And so this driver, he drove in New York, but look at this. He has a premier SUV. So he chose to invest in a luxury car. And what's the secret, guys? Is that your car doesn't have to be brand new to qualify for a black SUV. You can go buy a used black Escalade. You can go on Facebook or Craigslist and buy one of these things for 20, 30 grand. Finance it, pay it in cash, trade in your, a new Prius. People buy new Priuses all the time, and those things depreciate. Well, guess what? A used Escalade that has 100,000 miles on it, it's not going to depreciate that much because it's already depreciated. So, there's also another guy. He's a YouTuber. His name is Ronnie SPE Tv. He also makes over $3 grand a week, but that's because he drives 84 hours per week. He drives 12 hours every single day. There's this guy racing his car. Oh, he's on a dirt bike. Gosh, I hope he doesn't crash. Bro, you're in a little residential neighborhood driving a dirt bike. It's dangerous. Okay. So I wanted to just make that quick video and tell you guys it's possible. It's possible if you can do Uber Black or Uber Black XL. But for God's sake, don't go out and finance a brand new Escalade that costs 80 grand or 100 grand or whatever those things cost. Check your vehicle requirements in your city, because Uber and Lyft vary. If it's like the newest has to be, I think, like 2017 or 2018, don't quote me on that. But get a 2019, that way you have 2 years left on it. After the 2 years, go sell it. Let's say you buy the thing for 30 grand. sell it for 25 grand. You know, put it up on Facebook a couple months before you need to sell it and wait until you get an offer. You don't want to be rushing to sell it because that's when people accept low offers, right? If you have time to sell it, put it up on OfferUp, put it up on these car trading websites. Get a quote from Carvana, get a quote from CarMax, put it up on Facebook, put it up on Craigslist, put it up on frickin' Tinder, put it up wherever you got to do to sell it. And then once you get, you know, a high offer, then you accept it. You don't accept the first offer you get because someone's going to lowball you. And that's what you did to get your car in the first place, because you took advantage of somebody who had to sell their car quickly and they took your lowball offer. Gotta be smart here. This is how smart people make a lot of money, guys. Dumb people, they go and make impulse decisions and they go to the dealership to get their cars. Smart people go to Facebook and lowball people, and then they find somebody who is moving in like a week and they just want to get rid of the car and make some money. And then you get to get that car and say, hey, you know, you're selling this Escalade for 30 grand. I'll give you 20 and I'll pay it. I'll, get it this week. And they're like, thank God somebody took it. At least I got 20 grand. You get that car. And then in a year or two, you put it up for 30 at what it was originally priced at. Somebody offers you 28. You literally made 8 grand and you drove Uber for 2 years with it and made a ton of money. This is what smart people do. I could rant on and on and on about this stuff, but I'll stop myself before this video is 45 minutes long. Download Play Octopus. Do yourself one favor, because this will help you make an extra up to $100 extra per month. They'll send you this for free. Use our link below. Use our code. They'll send you a welcome kit. You can join the little squad, little team. Join our team here. You'll get a free tablet, put in your car. Literally strap it on. It takes 45 seconds total to set it all up. Your passengers get in, start playing games, you make money, they send you charging cable, they send you everything you need. And look how cool, they even send you an extra one. They got 2 plugins, one for your tablet and one for your phone. Let me make it so easy for you. Literally, this is one more thing you don't have to buy is a phone charger for your car, because the Play Octopus sends you one. So you can get this. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video. Link below for Play Octopus. Let me know your thoughts on this, and let me know your thoughts behind the black SUV, the car buying system, the car hacking system. There's a lot of people who hack exotic cars too. They'll go out and buy like Ferraris, McLaren used ones that are already depreciated, and then make money when they sell it. This is like a very common, popular thing it's like kind of underground though, because the car dealerships, they make money off of people who are dumb. They don't make money off of people who, the car dealerships are basically doing that to you. So if you ever go to a car dealer, anyways, I'm rambling again. I'm going to end the video. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll talk soon. Bye now.